The heavens tell God's glory, and His handiwork sky declares. Day to day breathes utterance, and to night pronounces knowledge. There is no utterance, and there are no words. The voice is never heard. Through all the earth their voice goes out. To the world's edge their
For the sun he set up a tent in them, and he like a groom from his canopy comes, exalts like a warrior, running his course from the ends of the heavens, his going out, and his circuit to their ends, and nothing can hide from his heat.
The Lord's teaching is perfect, restoring to life. The Lord's path is steadfast,